Hi, welcome to Idea Acupuncture YouTube channel. My name is Dhanraj. Today in this video, we are going to see about how we can speed up the time to manifest whatever we desire. First of all, humans are now growing highly impatient. They want things quick and fast. Example, we want our first food to be prepared quick. We switch on to fast foods or readily prepared foods. We want our products to be delivered immediately or overnight. We want the services to be done right now. We don't have patience to wait for the videos or the internet to stream. So we have been tuning our subconscious mind or programming our subconscious mind that things will happen quick and now. So this has been a part of everyday routine. But when we want to manifest something like a dream house or a dream car, setting up your own business or having an eight figure or more income, relationship, etc., we want that to happen right now. We sit to make affirmations, we close our eyes, we want to visualize it, etc. We do write a lot of affirmations. We apply 369 Tesla method, 33 by 3, whatever it is. But once we write that affirmation, we want that to happen immediately. But if due to some reason, if things are not manifesting at that particular point in time, our impatience grows more and more passage of time. This affects the neurobiology of our system, of our human body. It triggers a lot of stress hormone. For example, say I have an EMI which has to be paid in another 5 days. Currently, I don't have any money with me. And I sit and write, say, for example, 33 by 3 method. Say, in 3 days' time, I will get some money and I will be able to pay my bills on the fifth day. After writing for 3 days with visualization, due to some reason, maybe my my subconscious is not accepting it, or something is happening, or my vibrations is not properly aligned to get it, but I have written the 3 days affirmation note. If I am not getting the money either on the third or the fourth or the fifth day, I grow a lot of impatience. Why? Because my vibrations will be aligning towards a negative things because my stress hormones are increased. This affects the process of manifestation. My mind keep on thinking that what happens if I'm not paying my EMI, what happens if I'm not paying my rents, what happens if I'm not paying my electricity bill, will the landlord shout at me, will the bank people come and stand before my house shout at me. So my thought, instead of manifesting things, while moves away to the things, what happens if I'm not paying. So it's all negatively moving, my emotions are negatively becoming charged. So the emotion is the yardstick of our vibration. If our emotions are positively aligned, if our emotions are so very high, if our emotions are having a major impact on us, it will lead us to positive things, and it will align to the vibrations so that the manifestation will happen. So keep triggering your subconscious mind and keep on visualizing that you've got already. For example, if I trick my subconscious mind saying that I already have my money and I already paid the bill, I need not wait and 3 more days for the money to come in. Now, as of now, I have paid all the bills. So my heart, everything is in proper order. My heart doesn't beat up so fast. My stress hormones will not trigger when I visualize, when I meditate, when I keep my mindfulness that I have got all the money and I have paid all the bills. Now I have peace of mind. When we think that, it triggers the positive responses, it triggers the positive hormones. See, our subconscious mind doesn't know whether it is a real event or whether we are thinking. It just understands only the emotions, that's it. Okay, so it doesn't understand what is, whether it is happening real or whether it is happening in your dreams, or whether you are thinking it. When we create that positive emotions, when we understand that this emotions will channelize the vibrations, and this vibration is the key to manifest everything faster, then we can alter our emotions. Human mind has a power to consciously move a thought from one particular thing to another. So this is how our mind has been, blessed by the divine. So we have our highest faculties to move our consciousness from one thought to another thought. So instead of keep on me thinking about not paying about the bills, if I move my thought that I have got enough money to pay all the bills, I'm now at peace of mind, then the peace of mind already comes inside me. So then it triggers all the positive hormones, and the manifestation will happen faster. So when we enhance our, when we manage our emotions in a more better manner, we will enhance our vibrations. So my subconscious, the subconscious mind feels that it is true, and the results will manifest quickly. So every step we take consciously in aligning our emotions and aligning our vibrations, we are moving closer and closer to our manifestation. So we can apply a lot of gratitude, we can practice mindfulness meditation, people may also listen to subliminals, have a prayer, etc. Whatever feels, whatever you wanted to do, which feels you more positive, aligning your vibrations to manifest. When we do this, it will enable us to increase our positive emotions, have a more positive vibes, which will help us to speed up the time to manifest. So this is the key, or this is the major important point. Have our emotions aligned, have our thoughts consciously aligned, have a good positive emotions, which will trigger the positive and the highest faculties of vibrations, and that will help us to manifest whatever we desire. Hence this will speed up the time to manifest. I hope you like this video. Please let me know your thoughts, comments, feedbacks, etc. I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a very nice day.